Hello, you're looking at my Fitbit Charge 4, and today I'm going to show you how to find the battery level on this Fitbit Charge 4. So first of all, just press inwards and you've got the opening screen there with the time, and swipe upwards. And you can see there on that screen that it's got the steps, the current time, and then 21%, which is the current battery level, and there's a little battery symbol next to that 21%. And now another way that you can find the battery level for your Fitbit is actually going into the app. Tap here on the app, Fitbit, and then up here in the top left-hand corner, I'll just tap on that sort of greyed out icon there, or blued out icon. And then down here, you've got your Charge 4 sync today at 2:06 p.m. and the battery is low. So there you've got two ways of working out what your battery level is on your Fitbit and when it's time to charge your Fitbit, which is for me, which is now. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.